Hello guys, hello viewers. I'm your Jazzy Gamer back in some new video, guys. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you a app called S Gamer, guys. See, a game called S Gamer. This is the game, guys. In this game, you can find it out in Play Store. Also, I'll show you. Search for only S Gamer. See, guys, here is the app. So guys, this app is so cool because you know it. So guys, starting it, when you download now guys, it will ask you, will you log in? You should see guys, it will ask you like this. See guys, Google, log in with Google. So guys, there is a huge van near my house, so you should cooperate, but no problem. It will ask you starting log in with Google, guys. So guys, log in with Google. So guys, after log with any account, guys, after that you will come to this home. You will come to home, guys. In this home, you can win so many coins and redeem it into game currency, like for Free Fire diamonds, for PUBG UC, and for Paytm use also, guys. I'll show you all. So guys, first there is daily bonus. There is daily bonus because when you click on that, you will get 10 to 50 coins every day. But after one day like that, guys. And spin and earn. Spin and earn is an easy way to earn coins, but you can spin only 20 spins. So guys, I have used my one spin. I got 21 coins. So what is my next spin gonna be? I'll get 3 coins. So guys, no problem. After getting it, you will say okay and they'll come ads, guys. So guys, you can skip this ads. I don't know why, but this app is full of ads only. So guys, after coming back here, they'll add a section called referral and earn. Guys, they'll come in section called Dawn of Watch and Earn. They'll come referral and earn, guys. So guys, my referral code is 577855. So guys, if you use my referral code, you will get 50 coins easily, guys. 50 coins easily. But first you should have 300 coins, guys. After that, you should type on the referral. See guys, referral your friends. I'm showing you. See, referral your friends. So guys, when your friends join the app using your code, you will get 100 coins and your friend will also get 50 coins. So guys, this is a big thing, so you can use my referral code and get money. So guys, next is a task offer. So guys, in this there will come some games, guys. Some easy games. You should download that and run. Here surveys also are there, guys. You should download and run for at least 10 minutes. You will get coins. So guys, next is Lucky Lifafa. Guys, there's full of ads in this, but I don't know why there's full of ads. So guys, Lucky Lifafa in this. So guys, in this Lucky Lifafa, in this, if you have 50 coins, besides that they'll come at least 1 or 2 coins now, guys. Immediately click on claim now and you'll get some coins, guys. And next is survey offer, but the survey is not available. And there's another thing called watch ads, guys. With this you should see ads and you can earn free coins, guys. No. So guys, this is a playful ad, but I don't know why. I don't want. So guys, now let's click on X. See guys, I was having 7699 and I got 10 coins and it became into 709. So guys, where you can redeem is go to wallet and click on redeem, guys. Here redeem, click on redeem. I'll show you again. First, 1 minute. My net is so slow. Guys, this game has been stuck. Let's restart it, guys. 1 minute. Let's restart it. So guys, so sorry because there's some internet issues because of the rain. You also know now, guys. So guys, first go to wallet. You can see this now, guys. Wallet. Go there. After that, click on wallet and click on redeem. See, guys, redeem. Click on redeem, guys, and see, guys, you can get Paytm or PUBG UC or Free Fire Diamonds. So guys, I don't have enough coins, that's why I can't buy any of these. But if you earn every day, if you play every day, if you earn every day, you can get at least a 200 to 300 coins, guys. If you'll pay every day, at least you'll earn like 10,000 coins. 10,000. With that, you can go and redeem into Paytm Cash or PUBG UC or Free Fire Diamonds, guys. So guys, this is a trusting app. You can trust this app. Guys, please use my referral code. The link will be in the description, and go to Play Store and download this app, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Jazzy Gamer. Guys, I am not doing a Free Fire video because I thought I'll make a Free Fire video, but I updated it, guys. I'll show you. I updated it at 11:20 only because I was nothing. So guys, let's continue. So guys, then I know one of the two things in this, guys. The first thing is this Hayato. So guys, first Hayato was like this, and it became into Highlight Hayato like this. Guys, Highlight Hayato skill is, it will be like Dijalok skill only, guys. It will make a shield around in the front to dodge the damage. But when I tap, it's saying the server will be ready soon, but it's not ready too. So guys, when the server will be ready, I'll show you all the things in the server. But in this video, you should do like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. So bye bye, see you later. Tada. Yo. Why are you going to go?